So something showed up on my doorstep today. There it is. It's my new book. I'm so excited. Let's go open it up and see what it looks like. I'm going to open up my new book. See what it looks like. Want help? Come on. What's in here? What's in here? Here it is. The UFO files. Look how shiny. I'm so excited. Notes on an Alien Encounter by Catherine Hewlick and Weston Way. It's coming out on August 5th, 2025, and I really hope that you get your copy. You can pre-order it now. We also have a giveaway going on where you can win cool prizes if you've pre-ordered. So yeah, I'm gonna start looking at this right now.